This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening GitHub Desktop and signing in. Once authenticated, choose Clone a repository or create a new one. You want to set a clear local path and a meaningful repo name so you don't get lost later. Make sure the default branch is set to main or master depending on your workflow, and enable Git ignore templates if needed. Once done, you'll have the project folder ready locally, and GitHub Desktop will show file status on the left for immediate action. You will edit files in your code editor, save them, then return to GitHub Desktop where changed files appear in the Changes list. Select specific files or hunks to stage, type a concise commit message explaining why, and press commit to main or your branch. If you need isolation, create a new branch with new branch and switch to it. Branches prevent conflicts and keep history clean. Once committed locally, you'll be ready to push the branch to GitHub for collaboration or backup. You should push your local commits with push origin to upload work to GitHub. Make a habit of pulling first to incorporate remote changes and avoid surprises. When ready for review, open the branch menu and create pull request to start collaboration. If GitHub Desktop reports merge conflicts, open the conflicted files in your editor, resolve the differences, save, then mark as resolved and commit. If things still fail, try fetch origin to refresh refs and ensure your branch is up to date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.